Tired of endless chopping? Meet the Swiss Pull Choppa manual food processor that dices fruits, vegetables, and herbs in seconds. Just pull the handle and let the stainless steel blades do the work. Perfect for quick salads, salsas, and more. Compact, easy to clean, and no electricity needed, ideal for busy kitchens and camping trips.
Introducing the Chefn LemonAid, it's a dual-purpose tool that spirals citrus peels and reams juice. Use it to add fresh zest to your dishes or squeeze juice straight into your drinks. It's compact, easy to use, and super handy. Fresh citrus flavor in seconds freshness has never been so fun.
Say goodbye to wilted herbs. The Chefn Herbicicle keeps your herbs fresh and ready to use. Store it in the fridge to extend freshness for weeks. When you're ready to cook, just twist to chop. Then sprinkle herbs directly onto your meals. It's a simple, smart way to save both money and flavor.
Love avocados? The Chefn Avoquado is your all-in-one solution. Split, pit, slice, and skew, all with one tool. No mess, no fuss, no wasted fruit. It's safe, simple, and easy to use. No more slippery accidents, just perfect avocados every time.
Slice your veggies with precision using the Chefn SleekSlice Mandoline. It's designed for quick, uniform cuts every time. Adjust the thickness to suit any recipe, salads, stir-fries, and more. Built-in safety features keep your fingers protected. Get gourmet-style results at home without the hassle or risk. Clean cuts, safe prep, and zero stress.
Crush garlic effortlessly with the Kuhnricken garlic press. It's built with a powerful mechanism that does the hard work for you. The ergonomic handle feels great in your hand. No peeling required. Just pop in a clove and press. You'll get rich, fresh flavor every time. Fast, mess-free, and full of taste.
Enjoy fresh corn off the cob without the mess. The Cob Corn Stripper makes it fast and easy. It removes kernels quickly and cleanly. No slipping, no splattering, just smooth, simple prep. Great for summer BBQs, snacks, and kids' lunches. Less mess, more yum every single time.
Keep your kitchen clean with the mixer splatter guard. It fits right over your mixing bowl for a perfect seal. No more flying batter or sticky countertops. Use it with your electric mixer for mess-free baking. Bake like a pro without the cleanup drama. Because batter belongs in the bowl, not on the walls.
Slice avocados perfectly every time with the Chefn Flexicado. Its flexible design adjusts to any avocado size. You get even, uniform slices no matter the ripeness. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, or topping your toast. Making guac, no more over-scooping or wasted fruit.
Create healthy veggie noodles with the Twist Spiralizer. It's compact, easy to use, and built with sharp, durable blades. Spiralize zucchinis, carrots, cucumbers, and more in seconds. Great for salads, stir-fries, or pasta alternatives. Say goodbye to heavy carbs and hello to fresh, fun, low-calorie meals. Healthy eating just got a whole lot more creative.
Open cans, bottles, and jars safely with the Safety Master Opener. It's a smart, all-in-one tool built for convenience. The ergonomic handle gives you a comfortable, secure grip, no sharp edges, no mess, and no effort. Just smooth, safe opening every single time. One tool endless kitchen uses.
Prepare salads fast with chopped salad scissors. These dual blades let you chop greens right in the bowl. No cutting board, no extra cleanup. Perfect for lettuce, herbs, and all your salad toppings. Less prep, less mess, more time to enjoy your crisp, fresh salad. Simple, quick, and made for everyday use.
Remove strawberry stems effortlessly with the strawberry huller. Its simple design makes prepping strawberries quick and easy. Enjoy fresh, waste-free strawberries every time. Perfect for baking fruit salads or a healthy snack. Fun and safe for kids to use too, making strawberry prep a breeze.
Peel oranges neatly with the orange peeler. Its ergonomic design helps you remove the peel without the mess. Enjoy your citrus snacks without any hassle. No more sticky fingers or broken nails. Just pure citrus bliss. Simple, clean, and easy to use.
Add a splash of color to your kitchen with Colori Knives. These sharp, non-stick blades come in vibrant, eye-catching hues. Make food prep both fun and efficient, ultra lightweight and razor sharp for precise cuts every time. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, smart, stylish, and ready to brighten up your kitchen.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.